Welcome to Pro Tips by Mueller.
Another option that we provide for windows and doors is an optional sash trim. If you look, the inside of this is colored. This will match your wall color. This you will measure to the length from this location to the bottom of your jamb, and it will snap in. So we'll pull our measurement for that, mark it, cut it, and install it. What we're trying to do is divert water from here inside of our sash trim to keep it from running inside and behind our wall sheet. So one of the things that we want to do is get up underneath here and bid that tab out, because we want to get our sheets underneath there, or our sash trim underneath there. So we'll come in here, pull it out, snap it in. Now all water that diverts from there will go into that sash trim. This will be screwed in. It'll match your wall color. It'll also hide the off-white of the inside of your jamb trim.